Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to print only selected cells in Excel instead of printing the entire worksheet. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type Excel, tap to open it. Now, firstly, we are fill some data to easily understand. Now we are selecting the data, only this. Now go to File. Here you will see Print. Click on Print. Here you will see all the data. Now click on print active sheets, then click on print selection. Here you will see 5788. These number are selected. When you press on print, this will be only this selected area will be printed. And that's it. Only your selected cells will be printed. Now it's time to bonus tip. Set print area permanently. If you want to print this area permanently, then select the area, then go to page layout. Here you will see print area, click on it, then set print area. Now every time whenever you click on Control P, the selected print area will be only printed. If you want to clear the selected print area, again go to print area, then select clear print area. Now the print area will be clear. That's it. That's how you print selected cells in Excel quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.